I've tested a lot of walking pads over the years, but most of them always feel like some kind of compromise. Some of them feel too light, some of them feel too flat, and some of them just don't feel stable enough to trust them long term. So I wanted something that actually feels closer to a real treadmill without turning my living room into a full gym setup. This is the Merach UltraWalk W60 Plus, and right away, it feels solid, it feels grounded, and it feels like something that was actually built to last. That's because this thing is powered by a 3.5 horsepower peak brushless motor, which is the kind of power you normally expect from a full-size treadmill instead of a compact walking pad.
One thing I wanted to test for myself was how this walking pad handle longer sessions, because lower quality walking pads tend to overheat during longer sessions. So I worked on it continuously for over an hour while monitoring both temperature and noise levels throughout the test. At the start, the temperature gun didn't even pick up any heat coming from the motor housing. After 1 full hour of continuous use, it stayed measuring around 91.4 degrees, and noise levels stayed under 50 decibels, which is quieter than normal conversation. More importantly, after the full hour, the machine still felt smooth, stable, and consistent without any noticeable drop in performance.
It also supports up to 400 pounds, so there is never that feeling of second guessing when you step on it. And at its lowest speed, this thing is surprisingly quiet. I could honestly run this in the middle of the night while people are sleeping and no one would even notice. So you can comfortably work while using it. You can watch TV while walking, or you can even use it late at night without bothering the people that are sleeping around you. The belt also feels very smooth. There's no weird jittering or unstable movement while you walk. And when you pick up the pace, it scales all the way up to 4 miles per hour, which is fast enough for a serious walk or even a light jog. It's perfect for working, thinking, taking calls, simply staying active throughout the day without needing to leave the house. But this is where things really start to change. This has 12% automatic incline built directly into the walking pad, and the second it lifts up, you feel the difference immediately.
I wanted to see how much of a difference the 12% incline actually makes. At 0% incline, it feels like a normal walking pad experience. But once you move up to 12%, you immediately notice more engagement through your calves, glutes, and hamstrings. My heart rate also climbed faster at the same walking speed, which means you're working harder without necessarily walking faster. It makes the workout feel more efficient while staying low impact on your joints.
And because the deck is wide and stable, it still feels controlled and secured even while pushing yourself harder on the incline. Then it adds something I honestly was not expecting, the RGB lighting, which they actually reacts to your movement and step count while you walk. And pair that with the built-in Bluetooth speaker, you can listen to music directly on the walking pad while you walk. It turns something repetitive into something that actually feels immersive, enjoyable, instead of just boring. Everything you need is displayed right here on the front. You can track your speed, distance, calories, incline, step count, all in real time. And if you want even more control, you can also download the Merach app. One feature I really like is that even when you pause your workout, your data stays saved instead of just resetting every time. That makes it much easier to accurately track your progress throughout the day. And when you're done using it, storing it is extremely simple. It saves up a huge amount of space, especially if you live in an apartment, smaller room, or home office setup. Even the remote control magnetically snaps onto the back of the machine, which is a small detail but honestly convenient so you don't lose it. Most walking pad focuses on convenience, but this one feels like it was designed to actually perform well. It gives you a much closer experience to a real treadmill while still fitting naturally into your living space. So if you want a walking pad that actually pushes you while still fitting into your daily routine, definitely check out the link below and use our code for a discount. It's available in silver and gray, your first and last walking pad, one machine built to last.